Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Darul Arqam School FB Area Campus online classes for the new session. This is the video for class 6 science. In previous videos, we have already started a chapter. What was that? Yes, atoms and molecules. Let's have a quick recap of it. Can you identify this picture? What's happening? Yes, it's an atom. What is an atom? An atom is a building block of matter and smallest particle of the element. It has mainly three parts: electron, proton and neutron. And proton, neutron are exist in a nucleus in the center of the atom, while electrons start moving, orbiting around that nucleus. Electron always have a negative charge, but neutron and protons are having positive charges. Atoms mostly found are unstable when existing independently. They cannot be divided further in simpler form. Now look at this picture. What's going on? Wow! The electron of one atom is getting gained by another atom and forming a bond. That bond is what? Ionic or covalent? Which type of bond was that when someone loses it? When something loses, that is ionic bond. And here, by taking that electron, the molecule is going to be formed. What are molecules? Molecules means when two or more atoms join chemically to form a molecule. It is stable and exists independently. Molecules can be separated into atoms using chemical methods. We have already discussed about it in a previous video as well. Now take out your notebooks. We are going to do some work on our notebooks. So open your notebooks. First of all, write down the date when you are doing this work and then take the CW box. You have to write the heading of detailed question answer on the first line with black pen. Then write question number 1. Differentiate between an atom and a molecule. In a previous slide, I have already told you about the atom and molecule, and we have also discussed it before. You have to make two columns for atom and molecule and then write their differences. If you need further help, you can read the chapter thoroughly, and from page number 58, you can easily find the answers. Question number 2 is about in what ways are sulfur and gold useful to us. That's so interesting. We have learned about it now. Do you remember? Yes. So here comes the sulfur first. We have learned about the sulfur that it is a soft non-metal, odorless and yellow colored, poor conductor of heat and electricity and insoluble in water. Usually sulfur is used in fireworks. While gold is a soft metal, yellow colored, has a luster and a good conductor of heat and electricity. Usually from gold we make jewelry. Very good. Sulfur is also used in manufacturing fertilizers and insecticides. These are used by our farmers usually. On the other hand, gold are used in manufacturing electronic devices like computers and telephones. So you have to first write the heading of sulfur, then write its uses, and then write a heading of gold and write its uses as well. Okay. On the next page, you have to do some objectives. I have taken out some objectives from your lesson. You have to find the answers by reading the chapter thoroughly. It is a sort of open book test, so you can easily find the answers from the given content. Now, I am going to share one more fun activity. What is that? Worksheet. You all like it now? So today we are going to have one worksheet with us. Here comes a worksheet. This is to complete the given chart. What kind of chart? Here comes it. I have two separate columns for atom and molecules and then 4 categories to differentiate them. In the first column you have to write their definition, then second row you will write their existence and divisibility. If you remember, I have told you in the very first slide. You can replay the video and listen that carefully to answer this worksheet. Okay? Here comes your homework. You have to do the given detailed question answers on your notebook and given worksheet and objectives as well on your notebook. No need to take out any printout. You have to just copy out the question of worksheet on your notebook and just write the heading of worksheet on the top of the page. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully see you soon inshallah. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.